Did you know a banker saved the world from financial collapse and lost everything in return? In late 2008, Armand Thorvaldsson was reviewing loan documents at Kaupthing Bank in Iceland. What he found made his blood run cold. Billions in fake assets were propping up banks across the Nordic region. The numbers didn't add up. Loans to shell companies, inflated property values, phantom investments. If Iceland's banks collapsed, it would trigger a domino effect across Europe. Pension funds, savings accounts, millions of ordinary people would lose everything. He faced an impossible choice: stay silent and keep his career, or expose the truth and face ruin. For weeks he couldn't sleep. His family's future hung in the balance. Finally, he secretly contacted European central bank regulators. He transmitted evidence of $200 billion in fraudulent transactions. Within hours, he was fired and received death threats. But his courage prevented a depression worse than the Great Recession. Sometimes doing the right thing costs everything, but saves everyone.